Michelle, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. Today I'm going to be doing another hair installation using clip-ins from CurlsQueen. Inside the box includes a detangling brush, a silky satin bonnet with a drawstring, which I like, and it's giving reversible. It's cute and it fits perfectly. And lastly, some extra clips for a backup just in case you lose some. So being that I've worked with them in the past and tried their curly clip-ins that were so bomb, I couldn't wait to try these 20-inch Brazilian virgin human hair light yaki texture clip-ins in the color 1B. The hair is super soft and silky. Included are 10 pieces for a full head, thick and full from top to end, double wefted and double dawn. These clip-ins are also beginner friendly and don't require any expertise. You just clip and go. So ideally, if you're gonna be using any type of straight clip-ins, you would want to make sure that your natural hair is blown out or in some type of straight state. I did not do like a full silk press on my hair only because I don't like to damage my hair. I feel like with the heat is already a lot with the blow dryer. And also I was just a little concerned with the color match because again, my dilemma is I have color still at the ends, but just watch and learn because your girl's gonna get it done. So I was gonna do a braided application only because of the color mix up, but I'm not going for the silky press look. I'm going to do wand curls. So I separated my hair off. I did a little leave out just to make it easier and make it look more natural. And now I'm just gonna start clipping it in. It's super easy for application. You open them up, you get it as close to your roots as you can. You feel secure, you snap, you close, and boom, it's on there. It's secure, baby. It's not coming out. It's giving silky. This can be done in under 30 minutes. It's that simple. I'm here for it. So once I feel like everything is in, I'm now going to start with the wand curls. I'm going to be using a Mika detangling primer because baby, before we use any heat, we are going to protect those strands. This is pretty much self-explanatory. Also, if you're wondering, the temp was on 330, and also I will link this wand curler in my description if you're interested as well. This is pretty much self-explanatory, very, very pretty, very simple, very elegant. And this was quite a process because this was a lot of hair mixed with my hair, and I have a lot of hair already, but as you can see, my hair was very dry and it looked very frizzy, but once that heat touched it, my natural hair blended right in with them clip-ins, baby. The only downside to using the wand curl is to make sure that you have like a glove or something, because when you get to the ends, it is very hot. And also being that the hair was very soft and silky, I had to like keep re-wrapping it to get the wand effect. But you can do loose wand curls, you can do tight ones. Throughout the day, they're gonna fall and drop anyway. So it's all about preference. And the good thing about clip-ins is that they're versatile. You can style your hair however you like. Make sure you put that heat protector on it. It also gives it a nice shine. It makes it look nice and healthy. What a big difference some sheen can do to your hair, because baby, it was giving straw when I first started. I will also link this detangling primer as well. It's magic in a bottle, y'all. This is a very tedious style, but it's very pretty and you can get a lot of days out of it. So I finished this side and here's the back. You see I missed some pieces. Child, my arms was hurting, but you guys get the gist of it. So I started with the middle part and I didn't really like it. So then I did the little bougie flip over to the side. It definitely gives sophistication. And I didn't really like that either because I felt like my hair was still too poofy. So what I did was, you know, I'm going to slay these edges every single time. That's not even something I need to mention. Y'all know it comes with the style. So as you can see, it just made it pop just a little more because the edges was a little... They was a little dry. They was not giving slayed. They was not giving slit. Just use some of my edge control. It made such a big difference. And then I did a little flip back, you know, just to give it that pretty sassy secretary look, you know. It's giving full, voluminous, and I'm here for it. Only thing I just hate is the color. You guys see that brown peeking out. It won't let me be great. I'm just going to just cut it out, honestly, so I can show you guys how it's supposed to be done. But you understand the assignment, and my hair's not completely black. This is what we're working with. My job is to put you guys on. Just wanted to show you guys how beautiful it looks. I blended it in as best as I could. The edges is on fleek. It's looking like your girl just came out of a salon. And it's giving inches. I'm here for the inches. It's something about when we get inches, how confident we feel. I don't know, I just feel like my best self. It's flowing, it's not stiff, it's so soft, it's bouncy. The clips are super comfortable and they feel very secure. So that means you're gonna be breaking necks and swinging them inches all day, because that's exactly what I was doing. Go ahead and show out, sis. The hair smelled good, it felt good, it was easy to curl, it didn't have like a burnt smell. It's just really nice. And Curls Queen, they have a variety of different looks, styles, textures on their site. So definitely go over there and get you some clippings, baby. On them days that you just can't deal with your hair, go get you some. And the best part about it is how well the clippings blend in. You can't even tell because of how seamless they are. The goal is to give an authentic look, and it's doing just that. Minus my color pieces showing, but mind your business. It's still a look. Y'all know I got you with a code. All of that's going to be linked in the description. So check them out. Get you some clip-ins. They have all different colors, all different textures, from micro links to clip-ins, weft bundles to tape-ins. The selection is endless. Don't see your texture. They have coarse kinky to coarse yaki, body wave, and even silk press. A perfect match for beautiful natural texture. Again, everything will be listed in my description if you are interested, along with the coupon code to save some coins. And also, if you haven't seen my curly clip-in installment from Curls Queen, I'll also link that as well, especially for my wash and go lovers. Thank you so much, Curls Queen, for sponsoring this video. I really enjoyed, and I hope you guys enjoyed too. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next upload.
Simply Michelle.